Hi, I'm Ronak Shah, the founder and president of Levitated Metals. Here in New Caney, Texas, just outside of Houston, we process several thousand tons of aluminum-containing recycled feedstock into innovative and exciting products for the aluminum industry.
Levitated Metals is one of the early adopters in North America of the AUTOSORT PULSE, the Dynamic LIBS technology offered by TOMRA. The AUTOSORT PULSE can process different grain size and different kind of materials. Can you say, or can you tell us what is also your experience with this? Are you satisfied about machine flexibility or?
Yes, absolutely. For us, we really are trying to process material that's about a 1-inch size or larger. And so a machine that was capable of doing that, both at efficient processing rate and accurate separation, was instrumental and required.
Getting down to products like 3X shreds, Vesper, or even a 6063 type product. In time, perhaps I'll feed it 5 and 6000 series alloys and separate those. I can do all of those activities with the AUTOSORT PULSE Dynamic LIBS system with a touch of a button, a swipe of a screen, and be running it at 12 to 15 ton an hour. And I've been really pleased with the machine.
Talk a little bit about the DIDION machine that we're standing in front of, and what have you learned by using this technology?
It makes beautiful material, it runs without fail and without stop, and requires almost no maintenance. If I'm selling material to a rolling mill, I need to be able to have something that can compete with primary aluminum, which might be most of what they buy historically. Out of the DIDION drum, I get a material that is clean, dust-free, shiny, and any operations manager at that round top furnace would be willing to put into that furnace. That's what I get with DIDION.